Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will cook a delicious pumpkin risotto. So let's get to it. First, we start by cleaning and dicing some white onion. For the exact amount, let us know in the comments below. We do the same with the garlic. These two can never miss from a risotto base. When done, we cut a few slices of pumpkin. We remove the seeds with a spoon and we cut the peel off. Next, we dice them up. And as a last step, we finally chop some fresh parsley. The prep is done, so now we proceed to the cooking process. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some butter, followed by the diced onion and the garlic. We sear them until translucent. Next, we add the diced pumpkin. We season with salt and ground black pepper. We sear it for at least 4 minutes, and we add some chicken stock. We let it cook for 10 minutes to be sure that the pumpkin is tender. When done, we add the rice to our pan. We use Italian arborio rice, which is perfect for risotto. We stir it in, and we add some more chicken stock. We let it cook, and when the rice is done, we add a small amount of butter. This will make it even more creamier. We take it off the heat and we top it with grated Parmigiano Reggiano. The end result is a creamy and delicious autumn recipe, which is done in minutes. The sweetness of the pumpkin with the savory Parmesan is a perfect combination. Try it out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.